Hi guys, this is Carl Tarboy 1102, and we just moved to new house again construction, and we also installed Genie 7055D in the last 2 months. So this is Windows start to alarm panel and Windsor carriage. So I'll show you wall button. Light, lock. Okay, and so we're running door up. Here we go. Plus, there is keypad outside. So we're running down outside. Wow, the garage door was installed clean. So we're running back up. Wow, this is quiet. Quiet. So maybe there is sensors down here. So I'll test it. Okay, we're running door back down, and that will be it. It is still very quiet. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to subscribe or comment. Bye.